Not be able to talk, please. I know many people are before me.
Okay, okay.
If it's possible.
It is right on.
Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, Biafrans, and happy new month to everyone. Because it's the first time I enter this month, I think. And thank you. Thank God that we are here today. And Mazikai, thank you so much for your platform. Pertaining on what you just played, I don't know if you watched what happened last night. There was an online meeting with our government. Um, our government settled some matter which was wonderfully settled with wisdom for for the state of Mahamadike. Everybody went home happy. And the first news, we had a breaking news. I don't know if you have heard that Commander Thunder is alive. So yesterday we jubilated. It was a very good news to us. It's alive and well. Our DPM said that, gave the announcement. So that being said, with the Eggman, somebody said he was in the Hollywood. What the person was telling you was that the Hollywood character in him is playing out because I know I will not generalize it, but when you watch what happens in that Hollywood, if you dig deep, there's nobody that enters there that come out to be the same. So that's what that person was saying. And to his own shame, because the joy we had yesterday when he was saying this, the truth is that this idiot doesn't even know what is going on. He just borrowed words from the air and start speaking. Like you said, I'm so sorry for people that go to listen to this man and their brain cannot analyze. Those are the people in danger with him. Those are the people he is destroying and that has given themselves to him to destroy easily. Because many things he said, he doesn't have facts. He just opened his mouth and he starts running. Anything that enters in comes out. That is what I saw in him. Because what he said and what the news we had yesterday made me to understand that this man has no clue. They just want to bring head and head. They are just there to bring two heads and as many heads that can allow them to keep destroying themselves, not others, and those that gave themselves to them. Honestly, dear friends, this time we are is a very, very crucial time. Even if you want to listen to saga, if you say that saga is the one that will keep you busy because television don't reign anymore. So some people are in the internet watching for where the noise is and just use it to relax. Don't relax with saga that will destroy you. Saga that will put you in darkness. Saga that will take you, even if you don't believe in Biafra or in what we are doing, don't destroy your brain because before you know it, you start sounding stupid like these people without knowing that you're sounding stupid. You will think people are talking, you just jump in and start talking what has no base. Because these people say things that has no base, things that has no proof. They will still say it and even swear on top of it. Can you imagine? Can you just imagine? At times, especially this man, when I look at him, I keep imagining the wife that stays inside the house with this woman, this man, because no how she also will be watching what people says about him, no matter what. No matter what, there is no time that you'll be in the right path, and majority of people will say you are wrong. Then I think about his family. Then at times I think about the type of father that brought him out. One time he quarreled with the junior brother. He was the one that brought it to his channel. I don't just understand the type. He's just a disgrace to himself, to anybody that associates with him. So sorry for the family if this is not blood lineage, because I don't know, I can't comprehend. Honestly, he lies. He does everything that is negative, and he has no remorse for it. We talk about Akarawa. Akarawa is the one that has already embezzled himself in the basket of. Without lie, he eats conspiracy lies. In fact, there's if truth come mistakenly out of Akarawa's mouth, he will fall and die because it's not meant to go there. But this one, I don't know what to call it. I don't know if it's called it stupidity. I don't know what to call it. So I associate it with it to tell you the truth. But God is on top of this case, on top of this matter. It's like the prophet that you played. the other video you started, I watched it because I didn't watch it. I think it was yesterday. I watched it somehow this morning. I didn't finish it. I just laughed. I just laughed. Let everybody be saying what they are saying. A prophet of doom. That man can never be Igbo man, I can tell you. Because when things are heating up like this, you see Biafran man people coming out to sell their media. That is what they do. And this is where they go because they know that we are the people that is in the internet. Don't worry, we are growing. We have our radio now. Very soon we'll have our television. One day we'll grow to have our own social media. When we go out of social media, YouTube, all of them, they will know the people that is giving them the money. They will truly understand. And that day is coming and it's coming fast. That time, nobody will talk about censoring us or doing anything. We will do our thing as free people. And that is where I want the eyes of our people to be. Whether you are supporting what we are doing or you are not supporting, but you understand that you are in under bondage and slave. You understand that you need what is called yours. You understand that the world has gone into community world. No matter what they tell you globally, so there is a community world. Everybody is looking for their own head. When you understand that, use your little knowledge, money, wisdom, know-how, position, just to align yourself to where you belong. Truly and honestly, the passport of another nation can never be your permanent passport. Do not deceive yourself. Use what is happening in America to understand. Today, some countries in Africa can only go to US with $15,000 deposits. $15,000 deposits. And I like that. I wish that man would just do it for the whole Africa so that Africa will by forcefully know that they have to build their own. That is the only way to talk to us. They will, if something did not push us to do the right way, I don't see majority doing it. How can you be selling your house running to Obodo? And when you come here, you are stranded. Many died here because they are disappointed. And for the shame of the party they threw, because they are living there. Can you imagine? Somebody's living, majority of his family there, coming to a land you don't have an idea of. You are throwing party, you are going to church, giving testimony. My goodness. When I see this, I cry for myself. I say, what is this? How many of these people you are running to their own is in your streets? How many of them are you seeing everywhere in their streets with their children and making and they all showing you their culture? How many? So what is giving you joy that you are a family of 10 or let me say family of 20 because we live by descendants, okay? Now only you some will say, oh, I'm going to fly plane for the first time. I'm the one going for the first time in my family. I'm going. If you have to fly plane, can you just fly it inside Africa, the continent where you have brown? There's nothing
Yeah.
as if we are all human. It's natural. In this Obodo Igbo, you see some countries that come to another country, but because they have the same color, they are relaxed more than me and you. No matter the position you see yourself, can't we just think? Can't we just reason? And the ones that we that came here are the ones that destroy those at home. But thank God that hunger that has walked over all over the world has made someone to start looking for money from home, and people at home started asking questions. That also opened the eyes of some of them at home to know that this place they are calling heaven, and they think there is heaven there. So thank you so much for giving me the platform because from now on I may not be available to talk. Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye.
you so much. Thank you, my sister. God bless you. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for being here. We really appreciate it. Thank you.